What shall we make today? Oh, cookies. Nice. Let's slice some ginger. Slice. Wow. Let's steam it. Close the lid on the simmer. Grind the steamed ginger. We put some flour and some sugar and make the batter. Cocoa powder. Cocoa powder, some brown sugar, some coconut powder. Mix. We mix some brown sugar with butter and chocolate syrup. Mix. We mix the two batter. Roll it out. Roll. Which cookie shape do you want? The gingerbread one? Okay. 2 gingerbread one. Let's do it the boots. And I want the snowflakes. 2 snowflakes. Oh, let's make this one the tree. Christmas tree. Nice. Let's bake it now. It smells nice. Wow. It smells nice. Can you count it? 1. Let's put the icing in. Which color I want? Oh, pink. Let's do pink. Sprinklers. The star sprinklers. Yummy!
Well done!
The first cookie ready. Let's put the second cookie. Which color I want? I want chocolate. The vanilla. With sprinkler. Yes, the candy sprinkler.
Well done!
Wow! Second cookie ready. Third cookie. Which one I want? Oh, the strawberry. The sprinkler. Yes, the tree
Wonderful!
sprinkler. Wow, the third cookie ready. The fourth cookie. Which one I want? No, yes, the vanilla. Nice. And star
Amazing.
sprinklers. Nice. The fourth cookie. Let's put white color because it's snowflake. And sprinklers. No. Yes.
Well done!
Beautiful sprinklers. The last cookie. Let's make it white. And the star sprinklers. Wow. Yay! We have 6 cookies. Let's eat the monster 6 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,